Okay, Preston, the parts came in for your Blues Junior. So we'll go ahead and get the bias resistor in so we can get the current draw down on those power tubes, replace the filter caps with some good quality MODs. A couple of other things we're going to do: the screen resistors, get those elevated off the board, replace the diodes in the power supply for the rectifier, which are underrated, and so that'll make it a little safer. Those shouldn't blow out after that, and replace this input jack that's cracked and broken.
Okay, so here I'm just installing the new filter caps, and I'm just kind of estimating the length of them versus the holes, mass component, and they will vibrate and move around, and we don't want that, so we don't get any cracked solder joints.
All right, we're going to get this input jack off and get ready to solder in the new Switchcraft metal jack, and that'll be much better. And you can see this whole jack is just falling apart. Just came right apart when I pulled it out. So let's get a new one in. Okay, I've got the input jack wired up and attached to the board, and I'm going to solder this back up, and we will get this board back in place. And once we do that, get everything back together, reconnected, then we can fire it up and see how this does. All right, so I've got everything hooked back up to the light bulb limiter, into my meter for my variac, and then the variac itself. And I'm going to start bringing up the voltage slowly, and we're going to check to make sure there's no shorts or anything weird going on. Okay, we're up to about 70 volts. Nothing yet. I got the light on. Tubes are starting to heat up. We're at 100 volts. And we're at 120. And so far everything looks good. So I'm going to take this off and then pull the light bulb limiter, check the bias, and we're going to take a listen and see how it sounds. Let's give it a little bit of the fat channel.